Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video I'm going to share a beautiful bathroom wall tiles designs. So there you can see there the beautiful designs are available with different color designs because a bathroom is no longer just a functional space, but today it is a reflection of lifestyles, comfort and modern living. So one element that plays most important role in transforming a bathroom interior is wall tiles designs. So, from making a small bathroom look spacious to turning a simple washroom into a luxurious interior designs, so the right wall tiles can completely change the overall feel of your bathroom. So, friends, in this video, I'm going to share the latest price also, and we're going to discuss about their advantages and which are the best brands are available in the market. So first, we know about some advantages because the moment you enter a bathroom, so when you notice first thing, it's not the fittings or accessory, it is just the wall surface because wall tiles cover nearly 70 to 80% of the visible area in a bathroom. So friends, the total bathroom tiles colors impact a create a fresh, open, and a hygienic look. So in a light color creates fresh, open, and hygienic look, and for a pattern tiles adds textures and uniqueness. So while choosing wall tiles instantly sets the mood and personality of the bathroom. And for one of the biggest challenges in Indian homes is small bathroom size. So beautiful wall tiles can visually increase the space. So large for format tiles reduce the grout lines and makes the wall look bigger and wider, and horizontal tiles patterns increase the width perception. So this is why interior designers always focus on wall tile selection before anything else. Also it enhances the light and cleanliness, so bathroom tiles needs to look clean, bright, and hygienic all times. So wall tiles plays a major role here because glossy and polished tiles reflect natural and artificial light, and light shades like white, beige, and pastel tones improve the brightness. So anti-stain glaze tiles are easier to clean, and proper tiles finish the prevent watermarks and discoloration. So a well-designed tile wall not only looks good but also reduce the maintenance efforts. So modern bathroom wall tiles comes in a hundreds of designs options. So you can select as per your requirement. So friends, in this video there you can see that the beautiful color combinations. So using one ancient wall behind the shower or wash basins can completely elevate the bathroom design, so without increasing the overall cost significantly. Apart from beauty, but wall tiles provide the long-term protection. Tile protects the walls from moisture and dampness, and also prevent the fungal growth and peeling paint. Increase the wall life in wet areas and ideal for Indian weather conditions. So this makes the wall tiles not just a decorative but also a practical investment. So friends, now let's talk about the price range of bathroom wall tiles. So actually market, you'll get lots of the tiles are available like ceramic, glazed ceramic tiles, digital printed wall tiles, porcelain. So the price totally depends upon the types of tiles which are available in the market. And actually the price starts or ceramic wall tiles starts from 35 rupees per square feet, and so be friends, actually the price totally depends upon the locations and the brand which we select. So you can check out your local shops, but I'm talking about my whatever price is available in our area. So the actually price starts from 35 rupees to 60 rupees per square feet, It is budget friendly, ideal for rental homes and a basic bathrooms. And another one is glaze ceramic tiles, which will cost 60 to 90 rupees per square feet, which will give the smooth finish and easy maintenance. Most commonly used option. And friends, the most tile size which is available for bathroom is 12 by 18. So and in each box there will be a six tiles, and the size of the tile, as I told you, the 12 by 18, so it covers the tiles actual size in square feet is 1.1 into 1 is 1.5 square feet. So each tile will cover 1.5 square feet area. So for six tiles it will cover total area is 9 square feet, and each box will cost you almost 500 to 600 rupees per box, which I'm talking is about the branded tiles like Johnson and Johnson, and Kazaria, even Somani. So friends, actually the price, as I told you, that totally depends upon the shop and the location where we live. And so friends, a beautiful bathroom is not is about the expensive fitting alone, but it is about the smart design choice. So wall tiles are the backbone of bathroom interiors. They define the space, improve functionality, enhance the beauty, and also add the long-term value to your home. So whether your bathroom is small or large, modern or traditional, the right wall tiles can completely transform it. So before planning your next bathroom renovation, invest time in selecting the perfect wall tiles, because the great designs always start with the walls. So friends, if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you like our videos, then please like this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you once.